Hello everyone, here's everything we ate at Boat Noodle.
What do you like?
It's taro milk.
Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water.
try it.
I'm sweating.
I think that's Tom Kakay noodle soup.
Krapao chicken.
This is the salad.
Ito. Ito yung
That's the Thai spring roll.
Onion chicken.
Mahal tayo na isa extra.
Okay, fried chicken.
There's another paat tayo.
Yan, you have to mix everything. This one with it to this. Kaya lang ayoko naman ng madaming sugar. At least ito, this one's not maalat. This is pork. Ang dami yung take out That one's masarap. This one, yes, it's masarap. This one's masarap. This one's okay. This one's okay.